Thinking back in 2018-19 when we started, it was clear Oberhausen needs to be carbon neutral. We came together as a team to think about what can we do. And finally, it ended up in one single cooling heating plant with a CMIF multi-pipe and CXIF reversal heat pump. And today, while cooling the building, we are loading up the buffer tank with 50,000 liter water to support our test benches where we test all our rental units. We use waste heat really to support our test benches, and that's very great because we are saving a lot of energy. We installed a Trane control system, and we can really show how important it is to operate these kind of systems with the right control system. Besides heating and cooling and thermal management, we also have very efficient lighting now with the LED technology, for example. We are using the roof of our big warehouse here and collecting the rainwater and using it for cleaning up the units instead of using fresh water.
All power electronics and electrical engineering in that field really needs expertise. It's impossible to succeed if you don't have the people who have the right education, who have the right experience to master power electronics.
What you see is that ground up, we design our own power electronics, we build our own software, we integrate all the systems, and that's why we were able to make a differentiation with an Axle Power Solutions. It was not simply packaged together.
It's preparing for that future and learning about this new technology, how it is being used by the customer, what does not work for the customer, what works for us. In the business case, we are part of shaping this world, and that's what's important for our future.
The focus on sustainability matters a lot because it's related to our everyday work, and it's good to have that same focus and understanding. Why are you working on this and what impact you can do with that? With electrification, that fits perfectly into that mission.
When we started, we said, okay, we need to think in the future because rental is a really growing business, and we as a company are very engaged to grow this business. We are thinking about all these containers, super freezers. We are thinking about heat pumps, superheater. So the scale went up. The units became more different. Rental is very sustainable because thinking about resources, we have a chiller and we can provide this chiller to multiple customers over the year. They don't need to have their own chillers to build their own chiller plant. It's also from a sustainability point of view, supporting the customer and finally the community. This was also very important for us to make a place where people like to be. This is also part of sustainability from my view.
I think the Women Employee Network gives you some opportunity to find some allies and to have examples, because sometimes it's still unusual that you see women, and you have some good examples. It helps younger female colleagues to be encouraged and to also try that path.
There is an event here once a year that is called Long Night of the Industry, where citizens can sign up and come through our facility and get some explanation about our products. For many students, industry is still a very abstract thing. And every event that helps them dive into the industry world and understand what that is about and how different the roles can be is certainly helpful also to help them make up their mind what they want to do and where they want to be. What I'm most proud about is that we made it to here and to launching a product that works in the field and that fulfills the customer's expectations. And that's certainly, looking back, the biggest achievement that you can dream of, right? You start a new engineering group and you have a product in the field and that is successful in a way.